Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Just doing a quick video on how to pair up a phone with your Starline i96 and i96 Pro. So the way you do that is ignition on and disarm the system. Now press any button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off and back on, you get your 7 bleeps. So this product's now discoverable, so if you hop into the Starline key app, it may show up in the list, but if it doesn't, go to your Bluetooth settings, search for the device, Starline i96. The password is 0 6 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press OK. Now pop back into the app if you had to leave it. You hear 2 bleeps from the car, and that's the phone paired. Ignition off. 1 bleep means 1 phone's paired. As you can see, when we turn the ignition on, phone pairs up straight away and it goes to green. Hope this helps out some of our customers that have got a new phone or want to pair a phone to an existing system where they're only using buttons. Hope this is helpful.